Okay, now we're in Paint. Paint is on everybody's laptop. You just come down here in the search right here and you type in Paint. See, it's right there, but type it in, you'll find it. So now you want to add your image here that you took from Designhill. Remember I showed you, you have to click on Control V on your keyboard to copy it. So now when you're over here, or Control C, I'm sorry. So now here you'll click on Control V and you'll paste it in there. So there's your image. So we're going to go over here and we're going to crop this. I think we got that right there. Yep. So we'll just drag that around down to here. And we're going to line that up perfectly. We're going to click on Control C again to copy. We're going to go over here, click on New. And then we're going to click on Control V again. So now we have it saved here on our canvas. Got your whole thumbnail here. But what I just realized was when I go to save this, I end up saving the whole white part too. So I have to figure out how to do this. Oh, here we go. See, all I did was scroll down, and I think if I move this, yes, if I move this, I can just bring it up to the size of my thumbnail. There we go. I think that'll work. We're going to click on Save As a PNG, and we're going to call it Halloween. Where are we here? We're going to call it Halloween. We'll just put HLALL for short. Halloween thumbnail. And we're going to call this 3 because I messed up, and we're going to call this part 3. Don't worry about that. So click on Save, and now it's gone to my desktop. Alright, now we're in the YouTube studio of my other account called Getting It Done North of 7. You can go over there and subscribe if you like, and I'd really appreciate that. So we're going to go over here and we're going to upload this thumbnail. We're going to click here on this video because this is the thumbnail we want to replace. So we're clicking on Edit this video, and this is where we are in the background when we're editing a video. So here is our video or our thumbnail. So we're going to click here. It's going to give us options. We can change it, or we can download this. We're just going to change it, right? So we're going to change our thumbnail. Like I said, we saved it to our desktop. We'll scroll down and find it. Here it is here, Halloween thumbnail 3. Click on that, click on Open, and there it is. Go up to the right hand side over here, click on Save. And that is saving. It may not propagate right away. We're going to go check when this is done. So we'll go back to our studio dashboard, and then we're going to go check our channel and see if it has changed. It may not show it right away. Sometimes it takes a few minutes to show up. I'm going to shut that video off. Look at that. It did show up already. See? So there it is right there. See, because you can see I got the pumpkin in there and the bats and stuff. We'll go back here to videos. Maybe it'll show up bigger. No. So there it is there. It's done. Now, I don't know if you can see that from here. And I did this by mistake again the other day, but you see this red line on this video? Well, look over at the red line on the other one, and that'll show up on YouTube search, the same thing probably. I'm not 100% sure. You'll see here there's a gray line, but see how the pumpkin is cut off there? Right, hang on. Right above the word donut. I can't hover over it because the video starts to play. But right above, you know the little pumpkin in the corner on the orange below the plate? It's kind of cut off, and over here the cat is probably cut off too. So try to raise your images just a bit up off the bottom of your thumbnail images Just raise those icons, I mean, or text or anything you put in there. Make sure they're sitting up high enough. So again, guys, that was three parts of this video on how to make YouTube thumbnails in Designhill. I hope you guys enjoyed this video, this tutorial. I love making thumbnails in Designhill. Like I said, all you gotta do is create a free account and you have all your tools here. And the best part of it is these icons like this mummy here and all these things. You can do anything. It's unlimited. There's millions of icons in here to play with, and also photos, right? Type in anything in the search millions of photos, and you can find whatever you want in there. I'm telling you, you can really make some attractive thumbnails in Designhill. So far, it's my favorite way to make thumbnails. So with that, again, it's rolling here at YouTube. Hit that subscribe button if you really enjoyed this sort of content. Everything to do with YouTube videos and your YouTube channel. Hit the like button and leave me a comment below. Take care.